So this is a brief demo of the appointment booking WordPress plugin and WordPress theme as well. It is a complete solution to make sure that you can actually book appointments online wherever you are. So according to a recent estimate, more than 55% of appointments happen outside your business hours. And if you're losing those appointments, you're actually losing a tons of money which you can actually capture by just having a good appointment system on your website. So the solution that we have presenting here is a appointment booking WordPress solution. This complete solution comes with a great appointment booking website, which you can actually develop for just about any niche out there. You can use this particular solution to create websites for spas, saloons, lawyers, doctors, or just about any other appointment booking system as well. This solution comes with a complete appointment booking plugin, which has this book your appointment module integrated in it. Using this book your appointment module, your customers can come over to your website and get their appointments done all online. At the same point of time, you can actually capture the payments for any appointment that is going to be done online as well. So before going to show you the back end of this entire system, I'm going to do a appointment booking on the front end. So as you can see on the right, you can see a book your appointment section on the left, on the right. I'm just putting out my name. I'm entering my email address. I'm entering my contact details. Then I'm going to select the service for which I am going to book this appointment. All the services that are displayed here are actually set up on the back end of the plugin. So you can actually select any of the services from here. Once the services is selected, you can check out the date on which you want to get this service. In my case, I'm selecting 6th of April as the date for booking the appointment. And once the date is selected, you can select the timing that you want to select. So in my case, I'm selecting the time slot of 3 to 4 p.m. As you can see, all the time slots are shown here. And as soon as one of the time slot is filled out, you won't be seeing this time slots in the available section. So I'm just selecting 3 p.m. to 4 p.m. as the time slot. You can see the total price for this specific service is coming out to be $25. If you have any specific requirements, you can just paste it here and then you can click on book appointment. So as you can see, it is now showing me the processing please wait dialog box, and it moved me instantly to the PayPal button, PayPal page where I can complete this payment and actually get this appointment booked. As soon as I complete this payment, I will get a receipt. I as a customer will get a receipt on my email address, and you as an admin of the website will also get a notification for this order. Now I'm heading back to the back end of the plugin where all the settings for this specific modules are done. You can see appointment tabs is appearing right under the dashboard of your WordPress installation. You can add new services by just clicking add new service button. As you can see, I already added 3 different services with different pricings over here. It has a date slot and time slot for different services. So just I'm going to press on add new service. First I have to add a name of this service. I can add a sample service over here. I can price this sample service at $99, and then I will just press the add new service button. So you can see how easy it is to actually add any kind of service to the module. You can see the sample services appearing on the 4th number. Then the date slot and time slot can also be set. So first of all, I'm setting the date slot. So date slot defines on what specific dates you want to give this services. For example, if this service is something that you want to give from April uh, to maybe sometime in future or maybe a lifetime. You can just select the date out here. On which specific dates you want to give this service, you can select out here and you can just update it. That's it. So all the date slot for this specific appointment time for this specific service has been set. Once the days are set, on the next screen you can actually set few other things as well. So once the date is set, we can just add a new time slot for this specific service. I'm just clicking on the time slot. You can mention here on what specific days you want to give this service, as well as what would be the start time and end time for this service. So let's say if your office opens at 10 a.m., you can just mention 10 a.m. over here. If your office closes at 5 p.m., you can just mention 5 p.m. here. This specific segment displays the number of appointments you want to book at a particular time slot. So let's say I define 2 appointments to be booked for every single time slot. I can just put it out here, and I can also define the time interval. So I'm just defining the time interval as 30 minutes for all these services. So what will happen is, as soon as I add these details and I just select the days on which I want to give this service, I will just add bulk timing, and automatically all the slots will be created depending upon the time schedule. So as you can see, there would be one appointment happening between 10 a.m. to 10:30 a.m. There can be 2 appointments that can be happened in this time period. Similarly, between 10:30 a.m. to 11 a.m., 2 appointment can be booked, and so on and so forth. All the appointment can be done in such a similar way. In case you want to delete any specific appointment, and for example, if you have a lunch hours at 1:30 p.m. to 2 p.m., you can just delete the time slot from here. Okay, so that is pretty easy, and you can actually set different time slot for this specific plugin type. As you can see, all the time slots from Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, and Friday are mentioned here. You can just edit or remove any kind of time slots from specific this page itself. If you want to increase the number of appointments on any specific time slot, you can do that as well. So it is actually a very easy thing to do, and you can start to book appointments in just about few minutes. Moving on, you can see this appointments tab. All the appointments which are booked would be seen over here. It will come with service name, the appointment date on which it is booked, the appointment time, the client name, the contact email, all the contact number, the message if he has entered any custom message, how much amount he has paid, and on which specific date he has paid that amount. You can also download the CSV file for all the appointments so that you can see them precisely on your Excel sheet or anywhere you like. Similarly, there is an appointment calendar module where you can see all the appointment that has been booked on a calendar in an easy way. Moving on to the payment details, you will see all the payment details of all the transaction ID and transaction date right here in the payment details setting. And lastly, in the settings panel, you can configure your all the different modules for currency type, if you have any date exceptions or something like that, reminder emails, form styles, and all other settings or payment settings. You can actually enter your PayPal email and all those kind of details from this entire settings panel as well. So as you can see, as soon as I entered my new appointment service, I'm just moving on to the front end of the website, and under the select service you can see a new service by the name of sample service appearing right here. I will just click on it. The price is $99 for this service. You can see I can choose any date in April, so I'm choosing at 6th April as the date, and you can see all the date and time slots appearing right here, and I can instantly book this appointment by entering my details, my contact number, and I can book this appointment immediately from the website itself. So as you can see, it is a complete solution to manage your appointments, and doesn't matter if you are uh, trying to create this website for spas, saloons, or just about any other thing as well. This plugin or this theme will work right uh, appropriately for your business types, and you can start booking your appointments in no time. So thanks for watching this demo video. I do hope you will love this entire appointment booking solution for your website. And if you have any questions regarding the same, you can always send an email to inquiry@inthemes.com. This entire solution is available for a limited time period for just $47. It includes two different things. One, it includes a complete appointment WordPress theme, so you can actually set up your WordPress website using it. And next, it also includes a WordPress plugin, which is actually a complete appointment booking system, which you can integrate on your website. Everything is integrated. This theme comes with a proper documentation which you can follow along to install your website, and everything can be happen in just a matter of few minutes. So I do hope to see you on the other side of the fence and start using this appointment booking solution. You can create website for yourself or your clients and start to sell your services in just a period of few minutes. So thanks for watching this video.